One of the great things about Lightroom is that you can work with more than one catalog. If you are the sole user of your computer, then maybe you have different catalogs for different clients or for different types of photos, or maybe even for different years. Or maybe you share your computer and each person wants to have their own catalog so they can kind of organize things their own way. When you open Lightroom, there's always going to be a default catalog that will open up. But if you'd like to choose that catalog before actually opening up Lightroom, then you can do that really quickly using a keyboard shortcut. So on a Mac, hold the Option key down, and on a PC, hold the Control key. Then launch the application, and a window will pop up asking you which catalog you'd like to open. Choose the catalog from the list, and then you can also say that you'd like to always open that catalog on startup if you want that to be your default catalog without going through the option of selecting it each time. You can also choose a different catalog if you have something else you'd like to open, or you can create a brand new one using this setting as well. After you've made your selection, go ahead and just click Open, and that catalog will open up into Lightroom.